Okay, we got this beautiful, beautiful place. You got protection on these two sides. You have a temple, you have basketball, you have birds. You got a little space up there as well. So we're just gonna take a walk into this place a little bit, and then we're also gonna come down over here and check out this one, this Largo da Cordoaria, and kind of see what this is all about as well. And I don't know if this one's, I don't know if that's illegally set up there or that's legally set up. I don't know. But so if somebody tells me to go away, I will. But here we go. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, I love all the sounds of the birds. So let's just kind of come in here. We'll take a look. And you got all this kind of beautiful space up that way as well. Hello. Let's kind of take a look. And all the way in the back, you got birds all the way along here, and a basketball all the way down. And I think it's kind of coffee and tea, so I think you can sit and drink some coffee and tea. And we got this. So I think that's Bautista. Let's see. But a pretty cool little space in here though. A lot of beautiful birds. It's kind of, we're gonna come out here. And here, oh, somebody's birthday, so it must be some kind of birthday celebration. But usually they'll play basketball in this area. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out and tea, so you can also get tea here as well. So kind of a cool little space. And then in here, we're gonna go into the alleys a little bit. I think what we're gonna do is just put the camera around a little bit, see where we're at. And I think we can go all the way down around in a circle. Let me just kind of see. I just want to see what's on this around the alley here. Ah, it's dead end. Okay. So this is kind of a dead end space. So yeah, if you were to live, older person here, you're right next to this big community center where you can bring your birds, drink your tea. And there's also like community for basketball too, which is usually kids, of course. And I think this whole area is called Largo da Cordoaria, and I'll confirm that in a moment. Yeah, it is. Okay. The sign is kind of blocked by that thing. And then you got other ways down this way. And then you got, that's the basketball court down that way. And this is Capao. I think Capao kind of meanders around a little bit and goes across the street. I should probably do this one as well, because this one goes into the, it goes into these used goods across the street over here. So yeah, this whole area. So Largo da Cordoaria, it's still, I guess this is Cordoaria. Capao also connects over there or over there. Let me just kind of check it all out. Capao right there, so that's Rua de Capao, and then we got Travessa. So I think these two are connected. So might try to do a Capao street as well. But at the moment we're doing Cordoaria. So you got Largo and Largo, so those are both the same square, and this one opens up into like a used goods market. And yeah, generally there's like a bunch of stuff down this way. There's a little bit here. I think Sunday is the big day, and then down here as well. So Travessa de Garfu, so they'll have this will be all filled with tons of stuff everywhere. And I think this is still Largo da Cordoaria. We'll just kind of walk in here real quick. This one says employment and it has trabajo. I guess that's Filipino, Indonesian, Filipino, and Vietnamese. I haven't walked back in this space here before. Somebody has all their used good stuff back there, I guess. So anyways, we're kind of getting away from our focus street. The focus was Cordoaria, Largo. So we're gonna head back in that direction in a moment. And we'll just kind of see, there's more used good stuff across the street over that way. I think this actually might still be, I think this whole space right here is all Cordoaria. So this whole space. And then across the street as well. So let me just come around here real quick. So this gets into this used goods stuff. And now you can see it alive and well. So let's go back. I think later I'm going to do this Macau Street a little bit later. And there's also a temple over in this way as well. So we're going to head on back. And what we're gonna do is go by this basketball court. So we basically were in this little corner here, and then we're over in this area here. So we're gonna go in this area here. A bunch of music equipment. Yeah, usually they'll play basketball in here, but today there's no basketball. But I think on the weekends you'll see more basketball, more activities. So this is Largo da Cordoaria. And it cruise all the way through. I don't know if they're setting up illegally. I never see them on weekends, so I don't know. It's pretty cool though. So there's Cordoaria right there. So basically it goes all the way down that way, goes all the way, this whole space, this space, that space over there, I think part of this, and then I think that other street as well. So so then we're kind of back up here. Let me just run across the street real quick. So that was our target right there, that little space. And it's right next to the Cinema Alegria as well. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la